Hi, Lwazi. You've got 20 words for the week. Your spelling words for the week covers two sounds. Oo, as created by the double O. O and O together sound like oo. So you've got 10 words with the oo sound, and you've got 10 words with the E sound as created by the double E. So a letter E next to another letter E together makes the E sound, okay? So you've got oo and E in your list for this week. Your words, let's turn around and go look at them. I will read the word, I'll break down the sounds in the word, the sound in the words, and then I will spell the word, okay? Peace out for now. Okay, your oo words. Book, I read a book. Broom, I sweep with a new broom. Spoon, I eat with a spoon. Foot, I put a shoe on my foot. Wool, my granny likes to knit with wool. Moon, I see a full moon in the night sky. Cook, I don't really like to cook very much. Wood, I start a fire with wood. Tooth, I lost a tooth and I'm expecting a visit from the tooth fairy. Pool, be careful when you swim in the deep end of the pool, okay? And then your E words. Sweets, if you eat too many sweets, you might lose a tooth. Green, the color of grass is green. Tree, there is a big tree, there's a big palm tree in my garden. Bee, a bee can sting you. Knee, be careful when you climb the stairs so you don't fall and break your knee. Queen, a queen is married to the king. Sneeze, you must put your hand over your mouth when you sneeze. Sleep, what time do you go to sleep? Feelings, if you say something mean to me, you will hurt my feelings. Heel, I broke the heel on one of my on a pair of my shoes. I broke a heel, okay? So now we're going to go break down the sounds. The word is book. B-O-O-K. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. Broom. 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 B-R-O-O-M. Broom. B-R-O-O-M. Broom. B-R-O-O-M. Broom. Spoon. 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 S-P-O-O-N. Spoon. S-P-O-O-N. Spoon. S-P-O-O-N. Spoon. F-O-O-T. Foot. F-O-O-T. Foot. F-O-O-T. Foot. F-O-O-T. Foot. F-O-O-T. Foot. W-O-L. Wool. W-O-O-L. Wool. W-O-O-L. Wool. W-O-O-L. Wool. M-O-O-N. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. M-O-O-N. Moon. K-O-K. Cook. K-O-K. Cook. C-O-O-K. Cook. C-O-O-K. Cook. C-O-O-K. Cook. Wood. 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 W-O-O-D. Wood. W-O-O-D. Wood. W-O-O-D. Wood. Tooth, 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 tooth. Pool, 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 pool. Eat, sweets, eat, sweets, 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 sweets. Green, 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 green. Tree, 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 tree. B-E-B, B-E-B, B-E-E, B, B-E-E, B, B-E-E, B. Silent K, N-E, knee, N-E, knee, K-N-E-E, knee, K-N-E-E, knee, K-N-E-E, knee. Queen, 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 Q-U-E-E-N, queen, Q-U-E-E-N, queen, Q-U-E-E-N, queen. S-N-E-E-Z, sneeze, S-N-E-E-Z, sneeze, S-N-E-E-Z-E, sneeze, S-N-E-E-Z-E, sneeze, S-N-E-E-Z-E, sneeze. Sleep, 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 S-L-E-E-P, sleep, S-L-E-E-P, sleep, S-L-E-E-P, sleep. Feelings, 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 F-E-E-L-I-N-G-S, feelings, F-E-E-L-I-N-G-S, feelings, F-E-E-L-I-N-G-S, feelings. Heel, 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 H-E-E-L, heel, H-E-E-L, heel, H-E-E-L, heel. Okay, so you've got all the sounds broken down. You've got the spelling for each word. So now it's just about a matter of you practicing the spelling each time. And when you can remember without looking, you will write down the word. Say book and you will spell it. B-O-O-K, book. Let's look at broom. You write it without looking and you say the letters in the word. B-R-O-O-M, broom. And you do the same for all the rest of the words. Spoon, S-P-O-O-N, spoon.